For loop in Python. A for loop is a programming construct that iterates a block of code a specified number of times. It is a control flow statement that allows you to repeat a block of code until a certain condition is met. This makes it easier to perform repetitive tasks in a more organized and efficient way. In Python, a for loop is used to iterate over a sequence such as a list, tuple, string, or dictionary, and perform a set of actions for each element in that sequence. The for loop has the following syntax. The variable is used to iterate over the sequence. The sequence can be a list, a tuple, a range, or any other iterable object. The block of code is executed once for each item in the sequence. Example, printing numbers from 1 to 5 using a for loop. This loop will print the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on separate lines. In summary, for loops are an essential part of Python and many other programming languages that help you iterate over sequences and perform repetitive tasks efficiently, leading to more concise and readable code. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.